Vivoactive 6 has arrived, and it brings a sharper display, more advanced health tracking, and smart features powered by Garmin's trusted ecosystem. So how does it hold up in real-world use? Let's take a closer look. The design is modern, minimal, and durable. You get a 1.4-inch AMOLED display that's bright, colorful, and finally feels as premium as its competitors. The screen is easy to read, even in direct sunlight, and still touch-responsive with Garmin's signature dual-button setup for quick navigation. Garmin has expanded its workout modes to include over 30-plus built-in activities, from strength training with automatic rep counting to HIIT, yoga, golf, cycling, and even pickleball. GPS performance remains rock-solid, giving accurate distance and pace data without the lag. The Vivoactive 6 focuses heavily on wellness, with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, ECG support, pulse ox, and respiration tracking. You'll also get Body Battery, Garmin's unique energy metric that helps you know when to push and when to rest. Sleep tracking has improved as well. The watch breaks down your light, deep, and REM stages, along with movement and oxygen saturation throughout the night. It's all synced seamlessly with the Garmin Connect app, which gives you clear insights into your recovery and trends over time. Beyond fitness, it's surprisingly smart. You can store music or stream from Spotify and Amazon Music, pay with Garmin Pay, receive smart notifications, and even install apps from the Connect IQ store. It's not a full smartwatch, but it covers everything most users actually need. And yes, battery life is still a Garmin strong suit. The Vivoactive 6 lasts up to 10 days in smartwatch mode, or around 20 hours with continuous GPS, making it ideal for multi-day use without worrying about daily charging. Whether you're training for a race, building healthier habits, or just want a reliable fitness companion that won't constantly need a charger, the Vivoactive 6 delivers. It strikes a solid balance between performance, design, and health tracking, perfect for active lifestyles. If you're serious about fitness but don't want to sacrifice daily comfort or style, the Garmin Vivoactive 6 might just be your next go-to.